Dear Honorable Chairperson of the Benazir Income Support Program, distinguished representatives of the government of Pakistan and the private sector, distinguished development partners, and in particular, dear partners from the Benazir Income Support Program, dear colleagues from the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank, distinguished guests. I feel honored to be invited to speak during this important launch of the social protection schemes in Pakistan on behalf of the German Development Corporation. Germany and Pakistan share a long history of cooperation in social sectors, particularly prominent in social health protection, and more recently with a broader approach to strengthen the overall social protection system. Germany has expanded its cooperation on social protection to the federal level, and we are pleased to closely work with our partners in the BISP program and the Ministry of Poverty, Alleviation and Social Safety. I can proudly state that the Federal Republic of Germany has jointly entrusted the implementing agencies for development cooperation, GIZ and KfW, with a growing portfolio on social protection. A particular focus is placed on building stronger adaptive social protection systems to become more resilient to shocks and disasters such as the 2022 flooding. Our activities are designed to cover individual and collective risk and strengthen the resilience and coping activities of vulnerable groups in the context of shocks, particularly included the climate change. Hence, the newly launched saving schemes in Pakistan are a welcomed initiative to increase the resilience of shocks for the informal sector and for vulnerable groups in the long run. Germany's cross-sectoral efforts are focusing on adaptive elements, aiming the link to social protection, climate resilience, and climate financing by capacitating our partners across the country, bringing government partners and other actors together, and offer integrated solutions in the response of climate change are key to the German Development Corporation's portfolio here in Pakistan and also worldwide. The need of this collaborative action is evident. The frequency and intensity of extreme climate events in Pakistan is projected to increase, and the risk of shocks and disasters is particularly high of vulnerable groups. Women and children are most negatively affected, and we can observe many factors where inclusion put women under particular risk. For instance, their limited access to assets, credit and savings, and the low level of financial literacy. The German government is acknowledging the valuability of women in its new feminist development strategy. Germany manifests its approach to gender justice by actively supporting gender-responsive and transformative programs such as BISP. Via its technical cooperation project Adaptive Social Protection, the German Development Corporation aims to improve women's access to needs-based social protection services to cover individual and collective risks, especially risks in the context of climate change. BISP introduction of regular bank accounts to informal workers and BISP beneficiaries launching today is not limited to women only. It, however, has high potential to improve financial inclusion, promote the social and economic independence and the resilience in times of shocks, especially for women in the lower quintiles. Together with BISP, we are currently testing formats of providing financial literacy training to BISP beneficiaries. Moreover, we remain committed to complement the efforts of the World Bank and BISP by supporting financial literacy education in the future building a ground and create precondition for access and utilization for hybrid savings schemes in the long run. On behalf of the German Development Cooperation, I would like to congratulate the BISP program and the World Bank for successfully launching the hybrid social protection savings schemes. We are looking forward to further cooperation closely on this innovative and promising initiative. Thank you very much. Shukrillah.